Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious banana smoothie. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast or a refreshing snack. You'll need just a few basic ingredients that you likely already have on hand. We'll start by preparing our fruit and then combine 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of ice for a smooth, creamy treat. Get ready to enjoy a healthy and satisfying drink in minutes. Let's get blending. Once you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to combine them. Carefully add the banana, milk, ice, and any sweeteners or spices into your blender. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to prevent any spills. Start blending on a low setting, then gradually increase to high. Continue blending for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy with no chunks remaining. This ensures a perfect texture. Now that your smoothie is perfectly blended, you can customize it to your liking. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a little more milk and blend again. For a thicker smoothie, a few extra ice cubes will do the trick. You can also add a dash of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Once it's just right, pour your delicious banana smoothie into a glass and enjoy it right away for the best taste and texture. Cheers! Beyond being incredibly tasty, banana smoothies offer several health benefits. They are a fantastic source of quick energy, perfect for a morning boost or post-workout recovery. Bananas also provide essential nutrients like potassium and dietary fiber, supporting overall well-being. This simple drink is a wonderful way to incorporate more fruit into your diet. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy blending!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.